Present continuous. Present continuous is a verb tense, which tells us that the action is anchored in present. It is mostly used for actions that are happening at the moment of speaking, but this is not everything about present continuous. Let's start with the grammar forms. We have 3 different forms for 3 different situations: affirmative sentences, negation, and questions. Look at this scheme. To form an affirmative sentence in the present continuous tense, we have to build the sentence using this word order: subject plus to be plus verb plus ing. Unlike present simple, we have to add the auxiliary verb be and the ing suffix to the verb. See this example. She's going to school now. The verb to be does not have any meaning in the sentence. It is here only to help us build this tense. So, subject plus to be plus verb plus ing. In order to form negations, all we have to do is add the adverb not. Look closely. Subject plus to be plus not plus verb plus ing. Here's an example. She is not going to school now. It is very important to remember where to add the negation, between the auxiliary be and the verb. To form questions in the present continuous tense, we have to change the order of the words. We change the subject with the auxiliary be. See this example. Is she going to school now? I hope that you find that very easy, because that is everything you need to know about how we form the present continuous tense. Let's continue with the situations when we actually use present continuous. To make things easier, we will refer to these situations as values. The first value that we have to learn is temporary. And as you may have already guessed, it refers to a temporary action or situation. Look at this example. I'm working as a teacher this semester. Why do I use here present continuous? Because it's a temporary job. I only work this semester as a teacher. When the semester ends, I will not work as a teacher anymore. We will refer at the second value as an action in full progress. Why? Because it describes an action that is undergoing right at the moment of speaking. The action is in progress. She is going to school now. So right now, as we speak, she is going to school. The third value is called emotional, and it is called like that because it implies strong emotions on the part of the speaker. My brother is always stealing my money. In this sentence, we can see the annoyance of the speaker. So for strong emotions like the one in the example, we will use present continuous. And the last value on our list is called historic. Even though we talk about present, it is possible to narrate a past action using the present continuous tense. Of course, we can do that only to make the narration less boring. It does not have any other purpose than the stylistic one. In 1066, William the Conqueror comes to Britain, while the people are preparing for peace. Now, pay great attention. In the first part of the sentence, we have present simple. This is our indicator that we will use a present tense. However, in the second part of the sentence, we used present continuous because it is an action that was undergoing at that time. The people were preparing for peace when William came to England. And that was our lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to take notes and watch the video again if you have any questions. See you at our next lesson.